Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz and I'm coming on today with a collaboration that I'm participating in, and it's called the Refresh a Space for Fall collab, and this is hosted by BumBea DIY and Joan Brodie. And what we are to do is just to take a space in your home, anywhere, not a room, not an entire room, but just a space, no matter where it is, and just give it a nice refresh look and decorate it for fall. So that sounds like a lot of fun. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. I will also link their channels down in my description box along with the playlist as well. So when you finish mine, please go over to their channels and give them some love as well. So I thank you guys in advance for tuning back in to my channel, and if you're new and you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you on my channel. I really appreciate your support. So I will go ahead and stop talking, and I want you guys to enjoy the video, and I thank you in advance for tuning back in, and you guys have an awesome day. Thank you, ladies. Bye. Okay, the space that I'm going to be using today is this little coffee table that's right beside my recliner chair, and it's just sitting right there. So I'm going to go ahead and start decorating it. I think it's such a cute little table. So the first thing I'm going to put on there is a nice pumpkin. Then the next thing I'm going to be using is this vase-like wine bottle that I DIY'd, and I'm going to be placing it right here, I think, and then I'm going to put some flowers in it. Okay, I'm going to be putting two different kind of flowers in this vase. This is the first one, and then I have some picks to put in the back with some pine cones in it. Trying to get that to look exactly like I want it. Okay, now you see me placing this crystal bowl here, and I'm going to fill it up with some mothballs. Okay, so I'm going to take the larger mothballs and I'm going to place them in here, trying to figure out the order of how I want it. I'm going to put that there. Guess I'll put that there. One back there. Let's see. Think I can do it, you guys? You think that it's going to balance right in the center? Voila, I did. Okay, this one, let's see, where should I put it? I'll place it right there. And that's how that looks right there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be placing down on this table is a cute little sign that says "Be Grateful." And I have to try to see if this is how I want it. I want it this way. I think that's okay. And then the last thing I'm going to be placing on this table is a LED candle that lights up. Okay, not sure I want it there. Oops, one of the mothballs fell. Let's see, do I want to keep it there? Or should I place it right in the middle? Okay, I think that's what I'm going to do. That is going to finalize this. Okay, let's see if we can get this mothball right back up there where its permanent place is. And that is the final look, you guys. This is how I styled out this little space right here at my coffee table right beside the chair. I hope you guys like it. conclude this video. I hope that you guys like it. I think it turned out really cute for the fall.